Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin now, power down the PC and physically reseat the drive and cables, because poor connections cause many fatal device hardware errors. Once done, boot into BIOS or UEFI to verify the device is detected and check that controller mode is correct. This rules out simple config issues. Then, make sure to connect the drive to a second machine or use a USB adapter to determine whether the fault follows the drive. This distinction tells you if the problem is the drive versus the host. You now run diagnostics. Start with a smart health check using Crystal Disk Info or the Drive Maker's utility to look for reallocated sectors and pending sectors, because those predict imminent failure. Next, boot Windows Recovery and execute chkdsk/f/r to repair file system and try to recover bad sectors. Follow with sfc/scano to repair system files. If Windows won't boot reliably, make sure to create a block-level image with ddresq from a Linux Live USB. This preserves data before you attempt destructive repairs. You finish by repairing or replacing, update controller and drive firmware, and reinstall or roll back storage drivers to eliminate software-level causes. Once the device is stable, restore data from the image or backup you made earlier. Only perform a low-level format if Smart results and extended surface tests show the drive is healthy. If Smart fails, errors persist, or intermittent faults continue, replace the drive. Make sure to adopt a verified backup schedule to prevent future data loss. Troubleshooting tip: if recovery stalls, image the drive before further writes.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.